Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can change our Google Assistant voice. Okay, first of all, we can tap on the Google application. We can open our Google application on our phone, and we have to open our Google setting. We can tap on this profile icon, and then we're gonna select the settings option, and here we can select Google Assistant setting. Okay, and we can scroll down a little bit until we find the assistant voice and sound. And here
Here are
you
the
can
voices you can
choose
pick for
the
your Google
assistant
Assistant.
voice.
If you like this
There
voice
are
and
a
want me
lot
to
of
keep
options
using
for
it,
you,
here are the voices you can
and
pick.
I'm gonna go with
Here are the voices.
Here are the
this
voices you
theme.
can pick for your Google
Okay,
Assistant.
and now the
If you
Google
like this
Assistant voice
and
has
want me to
been
keep using it,
changed.
just stop.
Alright guys, and that's how we can change our Google Assistant voice on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.